When it comes to crypto, what's the difference between having your money on a platform like Wealthsimple and having it in your own personal wallet? And more importantly, which one is safer? This is the big question for anyone holding crypto. It's the difference between self-custody and platform storage. Think of platform storage as keeping your money in a bank. You trust the bank to keep it safe, and you can easily access it through their app or website. With Wealthsimple, they act as the custodian, holding your crypto for you. They use regulated and insured partners, and the majority of your assets are kept in offline cold storage, which is a big security plus. This means your private keys, the passwords to your crypto, are managed by them, not you. It's incredibly convenient, and you don't have to worry about losing your keys or making a mistake. They handle the complex security, and if something goes wrong, you have customer support. Now, let's talk about self-custody. This is the opposite. It's like keeping your money in a safe at home. You are the sole owner of your private keys. You have complete control and responsibility for your crypto. This is the core principle of cryptocurrency, financial sovereignty. If you use a hardware wallet, for example, your keys are stored offline, making them highly resistant to hacks. The phrase "not your keys, not your coins" sums this up perfectly. You don't have to trust a third party, which removes a major point of failure. But self-custody comes with a huge catch. If you lose your private keys or your seed phrase, your crypto is gone forever. There is no customer support to call, and no password reset button. You also have to be hypervigilant against phishing scams and malware, since you're the only one responsible for your security. So, which is safer? It's not a simple answer. For most people, especially beginners, a platform like Wealthsimple provides a solid, secure, and user-friendly experience. They've built their platform with security, regulation, and insurance in mind. For those who are more experienced, or who hold a significant amount of crypto and value absolute control above all else, self-custody can be the right choice, as long as you understand and accept the full responsibility that comes with it. The safest option is the one that aligns with your knowledge, your comfort level, and the amount of responsibility you're willing to take on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.